4, and theta is in quadrant 2. Now remember that it is important to be able to draw the angle in the appropriate quadrant. I know that the angle should be on quadrant 2, so therefore I'm going to place my x and y axis. There's my y axis, my x axis, and the angle is located somewhere on quadrant number 2. So I'm going to go and build my triangle. At this point it doesn't matter which is longer, which is shorter. Now I'm looking at this angle, and sine is so opposite over hypotenuse. So therefore your opposite is 3, and your hypotenuse will be 4. Now since I'm looking for the tangent, I'm going to be needing my adjacent. So I need to be able to find the adjacent. I'm going to use my Pythagorean theorem to find my adjacent. So it'll be c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. C will be your hypotenuse, which is 4 squared. A will be either of those signs. So let's go and place that as 3 squared. And b is what we'll be looking for. That gives me 16 is equal to 9 plus b squared. I'm going to leave the b by itself, move the 9 to the right, left, becomes a negative. That gives me 7 is equal to b squared. I'm going to take the square root on both sides, so b is equal to the square root of 7. Now be careful. In this case, because this is the x value, is going to the left, is going to be negative. Remember, in this case it should be plus or minus, so in this case it will be minus. And now I can find my tangent. Tangent is your y over your x. So your y, so the tangent of theta will be your y over your x, which is negative square root of 3, or 7. I cannot have any rational number in my denominator, so therefore I need to rationalize it. I'm going to multiply by the square root of 7. So it gives me negative, positive divided by negative is a negative, 3 square root of 7, and square root of 7 times square root of 7 gives you just 7. So therefore your answer will be letter C. Just be careful that in this case, don't forget to place your negative in there, otherwise you're going to get incorrect.